Problem number 10. Determine which event had the longest gap in days between its first and last transaction. Include the event name and the gap. So, iselect na to ang event name. And para makuha na to ang difference, kailangan na to ang maximum transaction date, which is the latest. Then, ang minimum transaction date, which is the oldest. Then, nagamit din tag function nga date diff para makita na to ang difference aning duha. What din tag kanang gap in days as our column name. So, from transaction T, join na to ang event details sa event details ID from transaction table. Join na to ang events sa event details table. And group na to sila by event ID and event name. Also, i-order na to sila in descending order since pangitaan naman po na to ang longest gap. So, kailangan nasa pinakauna is bigger numbers na. And limit by 1. Kaya isa mo lang itong ipangita. So, ang output ato kay ang tech conference which is 34 days in gap. So, sa create view na to, create view, view name, SQL code na to, then sa procedure, delimiter, procedure name, begin, then SQL code, and then delimiter na po dahil. Then, muna yung kuhan, output sa delimiter. As a procedure din.